accidents and injuries.
He burned his finger. He burned his finger.
She hurt her back. She hurt her back.
She cut her hand. She cut her hand.
He broke his arm. He broke his arm.
He fell down. He fell down.
So, what happened? What happened?
He burned his finger.
She hurt her back.
She cut her hand.
He broke his arm.
He fell down.
When it happened?
He burned his finger yesterday.
She cut her hand last night.
Let's learn past tense of these verbs.
Burn,
Burned,
hurt,
hurt,
cut,
cut,
break,
broke,
fall.
fell.
Now we want to show concern about injury. Hey Evan, what happened?
I broke my ankle.
I'm sorry to hear that. Does it hurt?
Actually, no, it doesn't.
You can use these phrases instead of I'm sorry to hear that. For example, oh no, does it hurt? Or that's too bad, does it hurt?
Now let's practice these conversations. Cindy, are you okay?
Oh, this is nothing. I burned my arm last Tuesday.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Hi George, how are you?
Not so good. I hurt my shoulder yesterday.
Oh, that's too bad.
Thanks. Now stop the video and try to complete the conversation.